Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to transfer from the blogger post to the other blogger's post. It's fast and easy. To do that, you need to sign into your blogger account and go to dashboard here. And this time I will teach you how to transfer this post here to this blogger post here. So it is completely different between the both blogger posts. But now I'm gonna show you how you can transfer it faster than a copy. To do that, you need to click on the post that you want to transfer it. So now I'm gonna click like this. Click on post like this, and you don't need to copy all this text like this because it has a root links to that original blogger's post. So don't do that. Thing that we're gonna do is go to this HTML mode here. So click on HTML views, and this time we're gonna press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl C to select and copy all this code here. And then this time we go to this post and create a new post here and add the title that you want, but now I'm not gonna add for you. So this time we do the same by going to the HTML view here and then delete all everything just inside this, and then pass this code is here. And this means now you can copy all the posts without any root, and then pass the title like this and go back to the compose view, and here you see all everything is look like you are creating a new post, and then click on publish and then click OK, and everything is now going to be posted on here. And now we're going to turn back. It is look like everything is posting the same, and when we are clicking to see that blogger, you still see everything is working fine and perfectly with the URL links, with everything just like this. So this is the tip that I will take you how to do. So thank you for watching. For more tutorial, please subscribe or leave me comments below.